Circle 10 Bulgarian mags. Got the Centurion 39. Big old bag of ammo. Target set up at 25 yards. This will be the first shots out of it. We'll see if we have any issues with it. Not really worried about accuracy tonight. Do 2 sets of 10 here. No failures. Alright, we'll test the accuracy at 25 yards. We got 20 rounds here. Overall, guys, it functioned flawlessly. Over 100 rounds through it with no problems. Got extraordinarily hot, probably because I didn't clean it before I actually shot it, which was probably a mistake. We did notice that it has a tactical paddle on here compared to the standard paddle, which should be on it, which is kind of interesting. But take a look at the groupings. Actually, that's the old groupings right there. So overall, pretty good at 25 yards. Thanks for watching, guys.